Welcome to IT Day. Today I'm going to let you know about the cryptocurrency, that how cryptocurrency works and how you can trade into the cryptocurrency, how you can buy and sell cryptocurrency, and you can also get a profit as well. So first of all, we know that we have a paper currency which is known as a fiat currency, so which we also trade in a real life, and we spend money in real life to purchase items, and anything we can purchase from that money. But as we know that nowadays we can hear that a lot of things that about the cryptocurrency Bitcoin. We have also heard that cryptocurrency hype that recent 2 years that it will hit 80k, means 80k thousand dollar cryptocurrency, which is a Bitcoin. We can say that the father of all the coins, we can say that, because Bitcoin is the first means starting of the cryptocurrency. And after that the other altcoins, we can say that altcoins which are like ADA coin and FTP and all other coins are known as means altcoin, we can say that. So from now I'm going to let you know about how we can trade in next videos. So stay tuned and follow me, and if you have any problem or anything you want to know about cryptocurrency, you may ask any question in the comment, and you may like and share the video. But in next videos I will let you know that each and everything and each step how to means purchase the cryptocurrency and how you can get profit from it, and you can trade it in future. You can also hold the cryptocurrency for the future. You may use in the metaverse, or you have heard about the Facebook that going into the meta. So we can also use that means coins in coins. We can say that those means currencies as a coins as well. So we can also use in the Facebook meta, which is also a metaverse, which is not a real world but augmented reality devices we can wear and see the whole world, and we can over there play games, purchase items, or we can also means whenever we play games we also purchase some armor over there and other things as well. So for now I'm going to let you know that in next lectures we will also we'll learn about these things. In next lecture we will do all the things. So for now, thanks so much. We will meet in next video. Thank you.